gonna have to put it big on the screen.
I know.
It's a little big.
Some nasty shit, John.
What is that?
It's like his
what
ass
is that?
mouth.
You're about to see.
What the fuck?
He's pulling the screwdriver out of his dick.
How did he get it in there?
What the? It has to be bigger because I can't remember.
That was a really bad idea.
Oh my gosh! God!
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god!
He's never gonna be the same. Blood! Oh my gosh!
That's ridiculous.
Don't tell me he's done this before.
He couldn't have, because he'd never be right.
Damn, bitch, you just bleeding everywhere.
What?
Blood every fucking well.
Is that...
I didn't watch the whole one.
Stupid!
Okay.